anie woni angololong na ina chari ko tere akidi ko tunga gibi atomuri atongoni angololong na atada daun atomunyu ni ko ngamok.
On the whole, however, the threats have remained minimal and transient, but this is not to underestimate their potential to disrupt regional peace, security and integration.
Ayeni changa tamare ngakuran to kana nguna yakabi changinya singulu nyikiji bora lo kojokon iteni changi atamar peke jiwa kwar dana kililingete ichoke epedori akililingena yaunginya simonan ngezi atamar esakate morkinus atanyo to ngakuran achine pedorte ya utomonani ngichan na kwapayo.
External vigilance is essential for peaceful coexistence and integration. Our aim should be to transform borders into bridges of peace, cross-border trade, and regional integration.
Atole munasidang iyoko ebo yoriyok. Atole munasidang atotinga ekisiliyok. Ibo rek ngarakini ngoni aloto ma akiyara yoko ngesingini.
To this end, it is to our credit that the region has put in place joint initiatives like the establishment of joint surveying and demarcation teams or commissions and MOU agreements on the management of borders, among others.
Abalabo cha tobak tokona lakara ngetungadang Kenya, Uganda, Southern Sudan kotere yakadina tukoto na igiri tokona kukurio atamar mitiki subak ngoni kona ayaw tungadang toma ba atulur berengini krikongo ni ngetunga luyako ngaren.
Additionally, a forum of this nature provides the opportunity to appreciate that borders are not barriers, but bridges to goods, services, and people movement across East Africa without obstruction.
Abalana bayake okona atukoto na ikona tokonanaga ya sakata tocheya atamar arai berbe kukoru arai dokete lok dokore ngoni atanto lokato yokolo walo chekaye nyeli wori kukoru ngedi atanikini ngoni ngedi atanikini aite ngedi arre ngoni.
In this manner, borders should make significant contributions to the gross domestic product through investment, pastoralism value chains and informal cross-border trade.
Ngesi atamar esakita ekukoru lolo mitongo tunga ara ngedi kewuntino akiyara ngatunga esakita to yaru tunga kwa peninguna buwe muchurise nu dalto makanini to gela ya kamoju to gela ngno ngatunga kamoju to nga ngaropia angwaitin kadang kikewuni ngatunga to yara ngatunga to mangatunga tolo sangaren.
There is no doubt, therefore, that we collectively stand to benefit from peaceful coexistence, good neighborliness, and peaceful resolution of disputes along our borders.
Ngesbo chatamar eyi karingone alolom atangata si yakisilo kiyi atangata si ekamutu kumurkino di ngikukorio yokodang tuliwor ngipei to yarang tunga kingarakinos atalema dingi channel to mayok.
The conference should provide platforms for us to sensitize our border communities on the ongoing national, regional, and continental initiatives on peaceful and sustainable resolution of disputes.
Eko kolo kolomari ngoni moi atolema se ko kongolo toliwor ni ketamu ni ngoni ngakro na kuriuni aloto mangawiyok aloto mangrereyok aloto mangkudunyeteyok tani tolomana pukoni na chena penya apikin tiyong.
This is so that we can enhance the East African integration process and ensure a steady benefits and opportunities for our border communities.
Ikote nugu nege kona sodi tolemuna tankirio no kulelo mito akede ankirio no tuliworotor itani pay tosbakro etike ara itani pay e poria ko pay ko kidia makilepun tojongo atiki yoro nkaru.
To echo the words of His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, the East African community will only achieve its full potential when it eliminates the restrictions inhibiting free movement of citizens across the borders by way of creating a borderless community.
Ania konyi angajepe karikon kang His Excellency